Friends, a retired bureaucrat and a member of Trinamool Congress with an ill motive has reported a decline in revenue surplus of Indian Railways. His report is not untrue per se, but it is totally misleading and incomplete. Let me put the things in right perspective. I won't present any figures, but I can always reason it out. First and foremost, during the same period of this particular report, capital expenditure in Indian Railways got jacked up to 2.5 times. Any capital expenditure input always brings the revenue surplus over a period of time gradually. Initially, it might be on decline, but over a period of time, it increases and remains for a larger duration. Secondly, during the same period, total revenue of Indian Railways rose substantially high. Third, the facilities and the services to Indian Railways got improved remarkably on a better side. So these three dividends particularly defies and defeats the single statement report made by these bureaucrats. However, I feel, are we running Indian Railways merely for generating revenue surplus, or we are running Indian Railways to give better facility, better service, quick service, and ultimate satisfaction to the Indian railway commuters? If the priority is clear, I think by giving more better service and by inputting capital expenditure, the railways will also go in profit over a period of time. So, those who really get moved by this kind of report, I would request, please go deep into it, be wise, and let the wisdom not linger, as otherwise, the kind of wrong narratives being set will gallop as the ALS election 2024 approaches for the Indian democratic voters. Jai Hind.